Maidaid commercial dishwasher throwing codes. Here's what the main ones mean in under 30 seconds. Error 02 means poor or no draining. Check the filter, drain hose, and overflow pipe for blockages. Error 03 or 04 usually mean the boiler or wash tank didn't reach or reset temperature in time. Power the machine off, let it cool for a minute, then restart it. Error 09 or 14 says the boiler didn't fill. First, check that the water tap is fully open, your building's water pressure is good, and the inlet strainer is clean. Finally, error 21 points to a rinse problem. Inspect the rinse pump, make sure the nozzles are clear, and check the boiler pressure switch. If those codes keep coming back, it usually means a sensor or board fault, so it's time to call a Maidaid engineer. For a full list of codes and what they mean, visit us at dishwasher.com. Thanks for watching.